this is Achal from JBC. Here are some of the weekly news highlights from India. First, Commerce Ministry recommends imposing anti-dumping duty on Chinese chemical. The Commerce Ministry has recommended imposition of anti-dumping duty for 5 years on a Chinese chemical used in dye and pharma industries to guard domestic players from cheap imports. The Directorate General of Trade Remedies has recommended the duty after concluding in its probe that 1-phenyl-3-methyl 5-pyrazolone from China has been exported at dumped prices into India, which impacted the domestic industry. The authority therefore considers it appropriate to recommend imposition of anti-dumping duty for a 5 periods. The Directorate has said in a notification. Second, Indo-Pacific Partnership. India-Japan explore new projects for Northeast. India and Japan held the 5th joint meeting of the India-Japan Act East Forum on Thursday to give a push to connectivity projects and other development and capacity building initiatives as part of their Indo-Pacific Partnership. Third, giving a boost to local manufacturing. Budget 2021 may raise duty on finished goods. India's import tariff structure could be revamped in the upcoming budget to provide lower duty on large imports, especially those used in products that are exported, while keeping levies high on finished goods, a structure that would encourage domestic value addition. Fourth, GST revenues touched record high of Rs 1.20 lakh crore in January. GST collection surged to an all-time high of about Rs 1.20 lakh crore in January as economic activities picked up after the withdrawal of stringent lockdown restrictions. Mop-up from the goods and services tax, which is levied when a consumer item is sold or a service such as travel booking rendered, in January was 8% higher than such receipts in the same month of 2020. Fifth, India's manufacturing sector activity strengthens in January. India's manufacturing sector activity strengthened in January as companies scaled up production at the quickest pace in 3 months in response to faster expansions in total sales and new export orders, a monthly survey said on Monday. This seasonally adjusted IHS Market India Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index rose from 56.4 December to 57 point in January to signal the strongest improvement in the health of the sector in 3 months. Thank you.